What's up guys, so we've covered almost every leak regarding Pixel and now it's official. So here are the top 4 biggest features of Pixel 4. Number 1. Design. So Pixel 4 having a new design and better design than any other Pixel before. It has square camera setup at the back which houses 2 cameras, more on that later, and on the front it has this full forehead which looks a lot better than Pixel 3. The top forehead houses 3D face unlock sensors along with the motion sense solely radar chip. The motion sense feature will going to be very helpful in your day-to-day life, like when you are about to picking up a phone, the radar frequency detects your hand and it will ready that face ID to unlock your phone. There will also be an option to skip songs, silence alarms and decline phone calls, and as I said there is also a 3D face unlock which means no fingerprint scanner. Number 2. Display. So Pixel 4 having a 5.7-inch display while the 4 XL features a 6.3-inch display, and both phones actually have a 90Hz smooth refresh rate. And this 90Hz display is not like any other smooth displays. The smooth display of Google can actually switch refresh rate depending on what's on the screen. The new display of Pixel 4 also has a feature called Ambient EQ. The Ambient EQ adjusts the color temperature in different lighting situations to make the screen look more clean and natural. Number 3. Smart Google. So in the Pixel 4, Google Assistant is now much more fast, active and smart. It can now reply you very seamlessly back to back, and now it is much more efficient to perform a specific hard multitask. Google also launched a new recorder app. Through this you can record what you want, but that will live transcribe that audio into words without any internet connection. This all happens in your device. And last, the camera. So as usual, Pixel 4 has one of the greatest cameras out there. It has 2 lenses, the main 12 megapixel and telephoto 16 megapixel sensor. And the telephoto camera is not just for taking 2 times zoom shots, it can now go even higher than 2 times thanks to Google's super high res zoom. There is also a feature called Live HDR, which means you can get a live preview of what the photo will look like before you take it. It also has another feature called double exposure, meaning you can now control the highlights and the shadows by your own self of what you prefer and get the best result. Portrait mode is also improved a lot. Now with the help of dual cameras you get the best portrait result with a very beautiful edge detection and also with a professional level bokeh in the background, and this all done thanks to Pixel's neural core. The night sight has also been improved here in Pixel 4. Now you can be able to capture stars with the Pixel 4. Yes, astrophotography with the smartphone. The new Pixel 4 is available in 3 color options: just black, clearly white and so orange. Pixel 4 with 64GB base storage costs $799 and the 4XL at $899, and you can get 128GB model for $100 more. So yeah, that's all on Pixel 4. Let me know what you think about it and like this video and subscribe to the channel, and yeah, see you soon.